Hello, Jim. Techmo's quick unboxing. We've got the new Zen Air DOT in from Creative. The people have been asking about these to show us them when you get them in. So I'm going to just give you a quick unboxing while we take them off. We have a lot of products here to review, so we have a bit of time to check them out. And that's it there. So you've got 24 hours total play time, 7 hours per charge, 5.3 Bluetooth, dual mics, environmental noise cancelling, ENC, 30mm neodymium drivers, touch controls, IPX4 sweatproof, works on the Siri and Assistant. I'm presuming these work on their app as well. It doesn't say. So that's it there. You've one directional MEMS by one on pair earbuds. You've got your codecs there, A2DP, AV, RCP and HFP. Wireless operating range up to 10 meters, and structures may affect the voice range. Well, that's pretty obvious. Happens in my house, new house, and it has a structure with a lot of my products when testing. And charging time up to 2 hours, and IPX4 sweat and water resistant on the earbuds only. So that's basically what you get there in the box. Small packaging, and this is what's in it. So we're going to have a look at that now and see. Let's get it open first. Alright, so we get our cable, USB-A, USB-C. We get our booklets here. So that's it there on the front, more or less. Haven't seen the app mentioned, but we'll find out, not to worry. That is creative.com Zen Air DOT. We'll check all that. Alright, let's have a look. So it's a tiny case. I'm just going to actually move in on this. Very small case, as you can see. Creative branding here. Flip top. USB-C on the bottom. You've got a little hole there, so that'll be for your lights. Nothing happening yet. Probably just take them out. Right, that's one. That's two. So we've got these little protectors on the ends, as you always do with your earbuds. So we'll just pop them back in. Then we'll take a closer look at them. They're not in the right way. So that goes in there, and that goes in there. Strong magnets. So now you can see the lights popping on there. Very strong magnets. Close her up, just turn off that light. And see, so there's your lights. And let's have a look at the earbuds. So up front, there you go. They're small, really small. You've got your connection points there, and left and right markings. And that's it. Really small earbuds, which is nice. And that's it there. You can see on top, you can see the mics there, and you can just see the little grills on the front and what they look like there on the bottom. So in short, that's it, what you're going to get in the box should you wish to inquire about them. Nice and small, to the point, and that's it. Really small case, which is nice. And that's it for the unboxing for the Creative Zen Air DOT. The latest from Creative, which is really affordable at 30 quid. £30 sterling. So we're looking forward to testing these to see how they sound. And of course, any questions, hit us up below. We'll answer you, and we'll have a review in about a week or two. See you in the next one.